This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to your printer via Wi-Fi. We will cover the essential steps for a smooth setup, ensuring your printer is ready for wireless use. This process is generally straightforward, making printing from any device on your network incredibly convenient. You will soon enjoy the freedom of printing from anywhere within your home or office. Before we begin the connection process, ensure your printer is powered on and filled with paper. Many printers have a dedicated wireless button, usually labeled with a small antenna icon, which you should locate now. Also, confirm your Wi-Fi router is active and within a reasonable range, ideally within 30 feet or 10 meters, for a strong signal. This preparation ensures a smooth connection. One of the easiest methods is using Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or WPS. Start by pressing and holding the Wi-Fi button on your printer for approximately 3 seconds until its light starts blinking. Then, within about 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. Your printer's Wi-Fi light should then become solid, signifying a successful, secure connection. If your printer has a display screen and lacks a WPS button, you can set it up manually. Access the wireless settings menu on your printer and select the Wi-Fi Setup Wizard option. Your printer will then scan for nearby networks. Select your network name, also known as the SSID, from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.